Hey guys, I know this is a really short, but I want to show you what's inside. Like when I close the fridge, because you kind of see my shorts on that, but you usually don't really notice it. You don't really get to see, while it's closed. And then next video will be that, the other fridge. How was that? Usually there's like a Gatorade or something right there, or Prime or anything like that. But next video, like next short or something, will be the other fridge, where you get to actually see what's inside, because you don't really get to see it for much long. So you'll just see that next time. You got it. You get it.